Hello students, we are learning operating system unit 5 file system. Our today's topic is directory structure. Directory structure is the way an operating system organizes and manages files and folders on a storage device like hard drives or SSDs. It represents the logical model of file organization and it helps the user as well as the operating system to store, locate, access and manage the files efficiently. The main types of directory structures that I am going to discuss in my video are single level directory, two level directory and tree, or also known as hierarchical directory structure. So in single level directory structure, all the files are stored in one directory. So here you can see in diagram, just there is one directory, and in this directory we have different files called as cat, bo, a, test, data, mail, cont, hex, records. It's very easy to implement and manage the single level directory. Next comes two level directory. In two level directory, the user can have their own folder. So under the root directory, user have their own folder, and under their folders they have their own files. This is known as two level directories. The next one is tree, or also known as hierarchical directory. In the tree directory, we have a root directory. Under root directory, we have few files and subdirectories. The subdirectory can also have few more files and subdirectories, and this is how the tree keeps growing. Like, we can always go to the next level of having more subdirectories or having more folders and files under it. The next topic that we are going to discuss is file system implementation. You can see this image. You can see the different layers. Connects application program, communicates with the logical file system. Logical file system communicates with file organization module. File organization module communicates with basic file system. Basic file system communicates with IO control, and IO control communicates with the physical device. So let us try to understand this layer system using this image. So we have application program here, and suppose this application program is trying to access secret.txt. It communicates with the logical file system, and logical file system communicates with the file organization module and finds out the metadata of secret.txt. So all the information about the file, then the permissions on that file, as well as the path verification. The file organization module is communicating with the basic file system so that the data is retrieved and is ready to send to the IO control. Now this IO control finds out the block number where this particular file is stored. It's not only the block, it also finds out the sector of that particular file, secret.txt, on our disk, and then it fetches secret.txt file from the disk and it gives it back to the application program. So this is how file system is implemented. That's all for today. Thank you.